Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm working on a DIY ball mask. Here are a few examples of ball mask or sun mask. It usually is round and has a lot of geometrical triangles and shapes. And here is my inspiration that I found online that I'm going to do a DIY version of. For this project, I'm using wooden circles in various sizes. Also, I'll be using these wooden teardrop shapes that I got from Michael's, I believe. And I will say I was kind of disappointed when looking for shapes because most ball masks usually have triangles, and I couldn't find a wooden triangle at any of the stores. And so I was kind of reduced to using this teardrop shape. I still think it came out pretty neat. I considered ordering triangles, but I wanted to show what you guys can have easy access to, especially if you go to the major big box craft party stores. You're most likely to see these teardrop shapes and circles rather than triangles. Also for this project, I'm using an oversized popsicle stick, black spray paint, as well as ivory spray paint. At first, I was kind of thrown off by the ivory because it was almost the same color as the wood, but it did make it a nice finish. And I'm going to be using a wooden napping ring to use as the mouthpiece for the mask. So I'm just going to start off by gluing the wooden circles to each other and measuring it out just to make sure that the circle is even on all sides. So here I spray painted the wooden teardrop shapes outside. So here's a fair warning, the wood is really lightweight, so a lot of them kept moving as I was spray painting. So even though spray paint gave a nice smooth finish, but for ease you may want to consider using the acrylic paint and painting them by hand. I intentionally left a gap of space between the wooden teardrops because I was going to use the oversized popsicle stick to cover that area. So here you have it. Here is my DIY ball mask. And I think this would be a great project for wall art, or you can put it on the back of a stand and have it as a standing piece. But I think it's really fun decor. So you guys can let me know how you guys like it. I'd like to thank you all for watching, and if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe.